Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll break down for you how to earn money with transcription jobs on Scribby. It's simple, it's free, and you can do this conveniently from the comfort of your own home. So, with that being said, let us jump right into it. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we are on the homepage of Scribby. I assume most of you are familiar with transcription platforms such as this one. Nevertheless, for those of you who are completely new to working as a transcriber on the internet, so let me outline in just a few words what sites such as Scribby have been designed for and how they work. It's actually quite simple. So Scribby is an audio and video transcription service that gives customers the opportunity to have their audio or video files converted into written text by a freelance transcriptionist. So they place an order on Scribby to transcribe, for instance, an audiobook or a podcast for them starting at a price of 10 cents per audio minute skewed. And the platform has the transcription task over to one of their freelance transcriber, and transcriber gets the job done by converting the spoken word into a written one in exchange for a payment naturally. Because no one is going to do this for free. Well, some of these transcription services offer AI based transcriptions too. So, however, as a customer, you should keep in mind that transcriptions made by bots usually have a significantly lower accuracy than the ones made by the humans. And that's where you come in. So, transcription jobs are extremely on demand right now. So, why not taking advantage of that demand and turn your own typing skills into real profit? So, how does freelancing on Scribby work? And what's even more important, how much can you expect to earn with your transcription services on this platform? Well, according to their homepage, as a registered freelancer on Scribby, you'll work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. So they provide automated transcripts to save you around 60 of the typing effort, which is exactly why so many transcriptionists prefer working with Scribby. Really, as a human transcriber, you will have to do only around 40% of the actual typing work, and the remaining 60% will be done by an automated transcript. And this is how freelancing as a transcriptionist works. So, first, you get provided with the automated transcript of your customer's audio or video file. You scan that transcript for any possible mistakes in terms of grammar, style, or punctuation. You correct these mistakes if needed, and as a result of that, you get paid between $5 to $20 per audio hour. To receive your earnings into your verified PayPal accounts, now $5 to $20 per audio hour sound decent. But the question remains, how much can you realistically expect to win with this per month? So let's say, well, that depends on a variety of factors, mainly on your typing skills and on the time you invest into your transcription assignment. And although it will be the AI that will get most of your work done automatically, there still will be a little work to do for you, like scanning the automatic transcript for possible mistakes and correcting them if necessary. Luckily, though, most of the files you will be handed over to review and correct are around 6 minutes long. So they don't assign files. You can review and choose the file you would like to work on. The only real tactical requirement for this is a computer with an internet connection and a keyboard for obvious reasons. It is not explicitly required, but having a headset might be helpful as well. So today they have paid out to their members more than $4 million in pure profit. They engage over 50,000 certified transcribers from all countries around the world. These transcriptionists have transcribed so far approximately 8 million minutes, which is pretty impressive. So as a transcriptionist on an intermediate skill level, you may expect to earn approximately $800 per month, provided you work 8 hours a day, $1,200 if you work 12 hours on a daily basis. And if you did like to work less than 4 hours per day, $400 on a monthly basis as a transcriber with some advanced skills in typing and in English, you can expect to earn twice as much as like $1,600 for 8 hours of work per day. It will be required for you to have good English comprehension, the ability to interpret conversations, to apply context and identify mistakes, and in addition to that, also a verified account on PayPal and a computer/laptop. with a working internet connection. And this is how the transcription process for freelance transcriber looks on Scribie. First, audio files that have been submitted by your customers are split into small parts. These files will be handed over to you so that you can listen to them part by part and type them out. Usually they are around 6 to 10 minutes. And next, the reviewers will check these raw transcripts for accuracy and correct them. In the next steps, parts are collected into a larger one and then proofread for consistency and accuracy. And the files are longer at this stage, and lastly, never go through a final quality check. So it can be ensured that their accuracy 99% or more as a certified transcriber. So you can log into your account and select a file, submit it, and the earnings will be credited to your account when your file is delivered to the customer. You can obviously preview the file to check the quality and accents, and before selecting, they pay $5 to $20 per audio hour. By audio hour and not the actual time spent working on it, the payment for a 6-minute file so therefore can vary from 50 cents to $2. The earnings are credited to your Scribie account and it accumulates it there, and it can be transferred to your PayPal account anytime by submitting overthrow request. So there is no minimum withdrawal limit. The funds will be sent to your PayPal account in 1 business day. There's no restrictions on the number of files you can submit each day. Therefore, your earning capacity depends solely on your ability and the time you can dedicate. So also there are no application fees or any other charges there. You have it, guys. So at first glance, payment rates of 50 cents to $2 for 6 minutes long audio might sound not too lucrative to you. However, at the end of the day, it is totally up to you how many of these files you transcribe and more importantly, how fast you do this. So it's all about your typing speed and accuracy, plus there are no sign up or transaction fees. So you get paid what you earn. Beside, as previously mentioned, they also provide an automated transcript so that you can save effort on typing the automated transcript in machine generated. And the accuracy varies from 60 to 90% depending upon the audio quality, accents, and other things. Therefore, it has to be corrected before submitting, which makes sense after all. And I did say it saves around 50 of the typing effort. The following has to be corrected: mistakes, missing words, missing or incorrect paragraph breaks, for strict verbatim files, inaccurate capitalization of words, and missing punctuation. So based on that, I did say you are going to work more as a proofreader than as a real transcriber here. So alright, to get started guys, fill in the short registration form and select your account type down below, and once you have registered as a transcriber, they will ask you to go through a short certification process. After you have signed up, confirmed your email address and set your PayPal account, it will be required from you to take a one-time test to see how well developed your skills are as a transcriptionist. And to take the test, choose one of the files listed, transcribe it and submit the transcript. Please note that your submission will be rejected if any guideline violations are found. So make sure you guys pay extra attention while doing that test and ensure you don't make any of these mistakes here. And if you want to get certified, once you have passed that test, you will get certified as a transcriber and even get paid for your success. So if you somehow end up rejected, you may compare the difference between your submission and the reviewed file, enable retest and submit another test file. So maximum number of terms is 10, and which is actually a lot. I'd say you can go through their transcription guidelines below. Following these may help you pass a third certification test with success down below. You will find a sample transcript which illustrates the formatting required for raw transcript, so you may use that one as an aid or orientation for your own test transcript in order to avoid making unnecessary mistakes. Well, and that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.